Closing new business often comes down to how professional and persuasive your proposal looks. But creating one from scratch is a massive time sink. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate a winning, brand-aligned business proposal in seconds using Vengage's new AI tools. This is exactly how you impress high-ticket clients without spending all day on the designs. Here's the problem. You land a client, they want a proposal. You open a blank document. That blank page eats up hours. Layout, headers, structure, fonts, brand colors, copy, all of it. Before you've even pitched the work, you've burned half a day. Vengage's AI proposal generator fixes that. Single prompt, finished proposal, minutes, not hours. So I'll show you. New client, right? Coffee shop called Brewco, and they want a brand identity package. So the prompt that I'm putting in is brand identity proposal for Brewco, a new specialty coffee shop. Services are logo design, packaging, social media, templates, brand guidelines. That's the prompt, and now I just click Generate Proposal. And there it is. A cover page, executive summary, about us, services breakdown, timelines, pricing structure. It also gives the next steps. This isn't a template I just filled in, right? This was built from my prompt, designed for my client, my services, my pitch. And this is the part that matters for freelancers and founders. You look professional instantly, so there's no design background needed. There's no starting from scratch. Now, here's the part most AI tools get wrong. The generated result looks great, right? But editing falls apart. You can't actually change anything without breaking the layout, so you end up rebuilding it manually anyway, which defeats the point. So Vengage handles editing inside the same workspace. So you can click any text box, and AI Rewrite suggests a tighter version. More professional, more concise, whatever tone you want. So I'm going to ask it to make it more professional. And as you can see, it changed exactly what we were talking about before. So now it's made it a more professional script. And the best part is, I didn't even have to leave the proposal. It just did it right then and there. Next up is icons, right? Most stock icon libraries just give you the same recycled generic graphics. Vengage's AI icon generator creates custom ones from your prompt. So I type in what I need, which is a minimal coffee bean icon, and I click generate. So custom icons for my services, not stock, not generic, right? Made specifically for this proposal. And you get brand assets, right? So I just drag my logo right in. Brand colors, fonts, everything. And here, if you adjust the image settings, you can change the colors, right? You can make it grayscale, sepia, retro, whatever you want. You can change everything you need. You can even add a drop shadow to make it look a bit more professional, and yeah, there are just so many options for you. You can remove the image background with just a single click, too. The AI builds a proposal, right? I refine it. You have complete control over the final look and spend zero time on the boring stuff. Now, here's the part nobody talks about, but really should, right? A lot of business proposals fail accessibility checks. Bad color contrast, no alt text, unreadable for screen readers. For high stakes deals, government contracts, enterprise clients, anyone with a procurement process, that's a real problem. And Vengage is the leader in accessible design. They've built an AI accessibility checker right into the platform. So the scan is finished, right? And it's flagged the issues. Text size, that's not great, but it's an easy fix. And then obviously, once you start, rescanning the document, you can rescan your document after editing the colors because the color contrast is an issue here. And then the final step, right? You can download as an accessible PDF, and then the document will be fully inclusive, right? It'll be screen reader compatible, contrast compliant, all text in place. Sending an accessible proposal sends a message, right? You care about every reader. You've thought about compliance. For enterprise pitches and government work, that's not optional. That's how you win the contract. So quick call out, right? The proposal generator's one of 100 AI design tools inside Vengage. You've got infographics, you've got reports, you've got pitch decks, social graphics, charts, presentations, all using the same workflow. And there are new ones added every week. So register for free, unlock the lot, stop losing time on manual formatting, and start winning more clients today. Click the link in the description to try the AI proposal generator for free. If you want to unlock the full power of Vengage, use my code BizCheck50 to get 50% off your annual plan for Vengage Premium or Business. And I will see you in the next one.